Alright, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Figma on a Windows computer. It's actually really simple, so just follow along. First thing, open up your browser. I'm using Chrome here, but honestly, you can use whatever you like. Just type in Figma download and hit enter. Now, look for the official Figma website. It should be right at the top. Go ahead and click that. Once the page opens, scroll down a bit until you see the desktop app section. You'll notice there's one for Mac and one for Windows. If you are on Mac, go for Mac. Since we're on Windows, click the Windows option. That's going to start downloading the setup file. It's around 100 megabytes or so, nothing too big, and it should finish in a minute. When it's done, head to your Downloads folder and double-click the file. The installer will pop up and it'll ask you to sign in. If you already have a Figma account, just log in. If not, you'll need to create one. The easiest way is to use your Google account. Just hit Continue with Google, pick your email, and you're good to go. After logging in, you'll see the option to open the desktop app. Click it, and Figma should launch right away. And that's pretty much it. You've got Figma installed and ready to use. If this helped you out, give the video a like and subscribe for more tutorials. And let me know down in the comments what other problems you'd like me to cover next.